welcome back to my channel. Anat Kessler here, and it is August and a time for a new subscription kit release, and this is the Holo Manor paper collection, especially for Halloween. And as you can see, it is filled with spooky gothic Halloween papers, all in the theme of a manor that is really eerie and scary. Just in time to get all your holiday projects ready. These really unique papers have like room themes. You can see you have the attic, you have a forbidden wing, you have the cellar, you have all kinds of rooms with all kinds of features that are really, really great for any mini album or junk journal or cards or any paper projects that you want to make. You have 63 different pages. You have background pages, pattern pages. You also have something new in this kit. I have added some more muted background papers that really go with all the patterns and all the features that you have in the more designed papers, so you can mix and match all these more I can't really say solid colors because they're not solid, but they're much more muted and have very gentle colors and backgrounds for you to write on or layer things on. And this month creative focus project is a really cool spell book that all you need to do is just cut it, print it, cut it, and bind it. So this is the spell book that is already made for you, and you can include it in the project or make it into a different project. It is all included in the kit. In the ephemera section, we have all kinds of really beautiful tags in different sizes that are really beautiful to layer. And then we have all the mini spell books in different sizes. You have binding for all of them. You have this really unique grave spell book and coffin spell book. You have all kinds of journaling cards in different shapes that you can layer one on top of the other. I really like to do that. Pockets, different types of pockets and tuck spots and belly bands, envelopes, that all really beautiful ephemera items that you can cut, layer, and embellish. You have all kinds of architectural features like the doors and the windows. You have the fussy cuts, really, really beautiful pieces to cut out and add to your pages. And of course, you have all the words as well with the phrases. And here are all the pages one more time. I really, really love this paper collection. It is really pretty. It comes in A4 size. It also comes in 8.5 by 11 size. So wherever you are in the world, you can go ahead and print it. I will link below all the different options you have to get it. It's really pretty easy, and you can really, really make beautiful journals, scrapbooks, mini albums with this. You can see that all the features, all the design elements always are on one side of the page, and the other side of the page can be completely redesigned as you like. You can create hidden pockets, hidden flaps, all kinds of magical surprises within your project. This is a really, really beautiful paper collection, paper kit for you to use in all your holiday crafts. I have released this early enough for you to have, so you can also use it for cards, for party favors, for decorations, for trick-or-treating. You can use these papers for anything that you create for the holiday in this really spooky, fun, gothic, eerie theme. So I really hope you like this paper collection. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. You will have all the links in the description under the video to get this kit, and I would really love to see what you create and what you come up with. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. Please craft along with me during the month. We'll have a designated playlist with all the projects that I'm going to make with this kit. So stay tuned. The playlist is free. The tutorials are free for anybody who wants to craft along and to get inspired. It doesn't matter if you have the kit or not. You can use whatever you have in your stash, and it will be fun to create these projects together. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.